Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website fancyideas2.com. I'm on the homepage, and the first thing I notice you haven't got a logo or a top navigation, which will be very difficult for your shoppers to really find a way around. Click to your products, click to your collections, which will definitely affect your sales. So first of all, please add top navigation to your store. Also, logo will help you build your brand and will help you establish your presence. So consider adding this as well. Add a short tagline to each image showing what you're selling, which will definitely help you improve your conversion rate. Shop now, it is linked to the product page, which is excellent. So you've got collections. I would encourage you to focus on one niche. So, for example, only makeup products or only jewelry, which will help you focus on one target market, one target audience, which will be much more budget friendly if you're using Facebook ads, and it will help you pick more specific keywords, which will also improve your SEO and your Google ranking. Featured collection, I would optimize this title to be more SEO friendly, such as shop zirconia jewelry or such as shop ladies jewelry. It's much more specific, which also helps Google to put you in more relevant search results. You've got plenty of featured products, which is great. Okay, you've got footer navigation and social media links, which is excellent as well. However, the links are still linked to Shopify, to Shopify profile. So make sure to update this with your own social media profile links. Add shipping policy, also add more important trust signal such as about us page and contact us page because they also count to your conversion rate. So I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you've got any questions about the tips received in this critique, please book a free chat. The link is in the email, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions and show you how to optimize the website yourself. Thank you very much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.